guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first time being in front of the camera, so excuse me because I am a little nervous, okay? But welcome to my channel, y'all. This is going to be a video that's a part of the DIY series that I want to have on my channel. And it's all about a Ross haul, okay? I went to Ross because I know that my furniture is coming, so I went to Ross to pick up a few decorations that I wanted to have in my front room now that I'm getting my couch. But before I get into supporting Ross, this big company, I want to give a few honorable mentions for shout outs for small businesses that I want you guys to support, because why not? It's black businesses as well. So to start, we're going to start with my sister. Excuse me if I'm looking down because I got to keep my notes close to me, but we're going to start with my sister. Follow her on Instagram. Her name is I Am Naya TA. She is a rapper, a singer, a songwriter, and she has a podcast. So make sure that you follow her to keep up with all of her updates, all of the new things that she has in store for you guys, and make sure you tune into her podcast, okay? Next, we're gonna go to Flicking with Candles. These candles are handmade, all natural, and they smell amazing. This is coming from a person who does not really like candles. I just don't like them because sometimes the scents can be overbearing and it gives me a headache, and I'm just not hung up on them. I don't know, but these candles smell good, so make sure that you stop what you're doing and go follow them. Boop. So moving on to Kai's Closet. This is a new boutique that just opened up and they're already booming, y'all. Make sure that you support this boutique for all of your cute pieces. You're going out of town, you need something to wear, boop, make sure you visit Kai's Closet, okay? You need to. Moving along, we're going to go and support Lash by Mercedes. These are lashes that are full, fluffy, and super pretty. Make sure if you need some lashes, you support this small business as well. And if you are a person that doesn't want to spend money, but you want to just check out some advice, some daily tips, some blogs, some lifestyle blogs, some makeup blogs, make sure that you stop by my friend's website, casuallykyrie.com, okay? Casuallykyrie.com. Make sure you check her out. Just follow her blog, subscribe to her website so that you can keep in touch with her lifestyle, her tips on life, and she's also a flight attendant, y'all. Y'all know y'all be wanting to have the tea and the scoop on how flight attendants live their lives. So make sure that you give her website a stop by, okay? And last but certainly not least, make sure that you support my small black business at shopnostalgiacollection.com, where I'll be selling lashes, lip gloss, wigs, things that are all about keeping the girls beautified, okay? Here are one of the lashes from my collection. The lash is called Tease, okay? Tease. Super cute, super fluffy, and it's exactly what you need. So moving right along, let me give y'all a backstory, okay? So back in December, we went furniture shopping, thinking that we were going to be able to get a couch for our living room and be able to go home and get it the next week. This was also a housewarming gift from my parents, and I'm like, okay, let's go to Bob's. I seen a few couches at Bob's, like 1 or 2 couches at Bob's that I really liked. Well, I thought I really liked, but then I was kind of going back and forth about it, y'all. I'm like, do I really like this couch? I'm stuck. Like, I was too indecisive about it. One thing about me, I am one of the most indecisive people that I've ever met in my life, if not the most indecisive person ever. So I'm like, I don't know if I want this. So I had went to probably 3 or 4 different Bob's furnitures, and on that last trip, I'm like, I'm just not feeling it. You know, one of the couches was all the way pushed back until March or April, and I'm like, I'm just not feeling it. Let me go to Value City Furniture. Now, before, I don't know why, but I was just like, I don't want to get no couch from Value City Furniture. I don't know why. I've never even been in Value City's furniture, so I don't know. I literally do not have a reason as to why I did not want to get my couch from there. So I go in there, and y'all, it's couch galore, okay? Furniture galore, okay? They had the cutest couches, all of these little couches that I had screenshotted before, and I'm like, ooh, I would love to have this in my front room, or, you know, just pieces in general. I'm like, it's couches everywhere. So I immediately fell in love with like 8 couches. So after that, I'm like, okay, here goes my indecisiveness again, or I'm just, my wants are just all over the place. I need to slow down. So I started looking at the prices and then started comparing whether the piece that was there was really worth the price that they were selling it for. A lot of them was not worth it, okay? So that immediately narrowed it down to like 3 couches. Now these 3 couches, y'all, I thought they were the cutest couches ever. So I had to go get my boyfriend so that we could he could help me narrow it down to the one, because if not, I would have tried to probably take all 3 couches home and fit them in my front room somehow. So we decided on the couch. When we decided on the couch, we also got our mattress from there and our box springs. When we pick the couch and we go to check out, they're like, oh, well, the mattress is in stock and we can have that delivered next week, but your couch won't be here until January 25th. Huh? So I'm like, okay, I guess it's worth it, because I really did like the couch. So we did our little payments, paid for the couch, and now we were just in the waiting process. So on Saturday, I'm like, okay, cool, which was yesterday. I'm like, okay, cool. This means that the couch is about to come. I need to have at least something, some decorative pillows, something to put on the wall behind it, something to just get a kickstart on decorating the front room. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to Ross. So the couch is gray, you guys, and I'm like, I don't want to go for the monochromatic scheme. I don't want an all gray living room because I already chose to have my walls painted gray. So yeah, so after y'all, I don't know what I'm about to say. Sorry. Shut up! Right, so I had to pick the accent colors. So I'm like, I think I want to do green. I think I want to do yellow. I don't know. So I decided with yellow for sure. And I'm like, but I kind of still want this green. Not like a Kelly green or emerald green, kind of like a sage green. I don't know. Disclaimer, I am not a colorologist, if that's even a word. I don't know what the specific names of these colors are, but these, in my mind, these are the right colors. These are the right names for the colors. So let's get into this haul, honey, because once I decided that I wanted my accent colors to be yellow and green, I'm like, okay, let's go to Ross to try to pick out what is in our budget, first of all, because budgeting is important. So to pick out what's in our budget that we can get just to start off our decorating in the living room, okay? So the first thing I got were these pillows. I still have them wrapped up, y'all, because I'm extra. I don't want to take it off until the couch actually gets here, which is tomorrow. It's only one day away. So first things first, I got this set of pillows, 2 big ones. They have yellow and they're like this cute little material pattern, whatever you want to call it. Super soft. I'm going to try the karate chop method that I see all over YouTube and all of the videos that my mom watched. All these women that be decorating the front room, they always talk about karate chopping the pillows. So I'm gonna try to karate chop my pillows to see if it gives that look. If not, hey, whatever, I still like the pillows. The next thing that I got was this cute little tray. How cute is this? How cute is this tray? Okay, super cute. This is the back of it. Oh, I didn't even tell. Those pillows were, I think, $17.99. This here was $6.99. And the comparable value was $21.99. So that's a deal, and you know it's this. Moving along, the next thing that I got was another pair of pillows. These are the short pillows. So this has another pattern on it. To be honest, y'all, I really don't know how I feel about this set of pillows, mainly because of the pattern. It's just like a little weird little pattern, but my mama told me, get what you want. If you put it on your couch and you don't like it, then you can always return it. True. So I took them home. But yeah, these are the pillows. They're super soft, same color as the others. Again, we're gonna try the karate chop method, but this is this, and these pillows were $16.99. Okay, $16.99. There, and then here comes the sage green. Okay, y'all, so cute. So I got these pillows as well. Super soft. I love these. Just want to give it a hug. Can't wait to put these on my couch. So these, they have like this same texture as the other pillows, and sorry, I gotta fix my hair. Same texture as the other pillows, and on the back they have like this really cute velvety, I don't know, material. Very cute. So these are these pillows. These were $17.99. And the last thing that I got from Ross that was, I guess, living room related, is this piece that's gonna go behind the couch. And y'all, when I was thinking, I'm like, I shouldn't get this. I shouldn't get this. I should wait. If it's meant to be, I'm gonna come back and get it. This was before I decided that I was gonna get the green. That I was gonna have green as a accent color. Look at this beauty. Oh, I guess it's like a custom piece from India. I don't know, you know. That sounds fancy, right? Oh, this is custom from India. But look at this, y'all. Ooh, 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 I play too much. I play too much. But look, this is the piece, y'all. So cute. This is gonna go behind my couch to give you like a little visual of how it's gonna look. Oh my God, pose. So this is gonna go behind the couch, and on each side I'm going to have yellow mirrors. Oh my God, it's gonna be bomb.com. As my little sister says, it's gonna be adorbs, totally adorbs. That's what my sister say, y'all. But yes, y'all, this is probably my favorite piece from the haul at Ross. That's pretty much all that I got from Ross, to be completely honest with you. Everything else, I got like some kitchen scissors that I needed. I have been saying for the longest that I need kitchen scissors. So, yeah, I got some kitchen scissors. And, that's pretty much it, y'all. That's the end of this little haul. The video wasn't gonna be long because it's not like I got a million things, but that is what I got from Ross. All of these things can be found at your local Ross. Ross Dress for Less. I did not get them just from one Ross, though. I did go to like 2 or 3 different Rosses just to see the difference. You know, different stores have different things in stock. And yeah, it took me 2 to 3 visits, 2 to 3 stops to accumulate all of these things. Today is Sunday, and my couch is going to come tomorrow on Monday. And I cannot wait, okay? I may not go to sleep tonight. That's how thirsty I am to get my couch, because we have waited over a month to get our couch. So the fact that it's a day away now, you know I'm thirsty, okay? So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm back. I'm in front of the camera. You see that this is me. I'm giving you my natural self, and I want to do more videos like this. So make sure you like this video, comment what you liked, comment what you didn't like, comment where you like to go and shop for your living room decor or your house decor. I am all for a sale. I'm all for a sale. So make sure that you comment and tell me where you guys like to shop. I probably said thumbs this video up before, but thumbs it up again if you can. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tune in with me, because I'll keep you happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you tune back in, and I love you. Bye.